Hi, and welcome to the Everlance Channel. We are here at Everlance headquarters in San Francisco, California. And Everlance is a mileage and expense tracking app that helps you get the most out of your deductions and reimbursements. And did you know for every 1,000 miles, it's worth $540? So this is our channel, and we're going to be covering a few topics in the coming weeks about taxes and kind of the usage of the app and getting the most out of your deductions for 2016 and for the next year for 2017. And so for this week, we have our first topic of why you should use a mileage tracker. Now, we're pretty biased here since we're a mileage tracking app as well, but we just think it's kind of wild that a lot of freelancers, independent contractors, self-employed people, such as creatives, you could be a videographer, a real estate agent, a plumber, that you don't use a mileage tracking app because for every mile it's 54 cents of deduction if it's work related. And so at the end of the year, when you're ready to do your deductions on your taxes, you can accumulate that. And we have a lot of users that drive 30 to 40,000 miles a year, and that really can add up at the end of the year for your deductions. And so with the Everlance app, it's a lot easier to track these because it's automatically done for you in the background, and then it provides you with all that data in an export when you're ready to send it to your CPA or do your own taxes.
This is my question of the week. Is commuting tax deductible?
That's a good question, Jacob. We get a lot of questions in the app every week based on what are tax deductions, what are tax deductible, along with thousands of other questions a week. But for this week, that's a good question. We have, is commuting tax deductible? And that's been one of the main questions that's been asked about it. What is a tax deduction and what is tax deductible? And so, is commuting tax deductible? And the simple question or answer for this is no, not really. Commuting is normally a personal category, and so that means that you're leaving from your place of normal residence to the place of normal work. So for me, I leave home here in San Francisco and I drive every day to work here in Everlance HQ, and this is a personal mileage. It's not tax deductible. But what could be a work mileage category then is if I'm here at work and I have to go on a video shoot or I have to go and meet a client for lunch, then yes, that could be a work deduction because it's not my normal commuting. Simply, this is normally a gray area, but the simple answer for this is no, commuting is not a work deduction. Since we get these questions a lot, we're going to be fielding all these questions through the app every week, but we would love to hear from you. If you drop us a line below and ask us some questions, we'll do all the research we can and see what we can come up with, and if we can't find it, we have a lot of CPAs on hand that we can ask.